Hi guys, Ian from Global Air Supplies. I want to introduce you to the EC1 controller from Global Air Supplies. Very similar to the EC Speed, but as you'll notice, it's got a probe attached to this which measures the temperature, so it's the next one up from the EC Speed. It's powered from a fan again, so it's got an active cable with a white end, so it takes the power from a fan cable and powers the controller, so you don't need to plug it into the mains. And all you do with this one, you set the temperature, you set your maximum fan speed, you set your minimum fan speed, and the fan will work between those two set speeds. It's got a 2 degrees hysteresis, so that means if you set it at 26 degrees, the fan will be at full speed at 28. You set it at 28, your fan will be at full speed at 30 degrees. That's what the 2 degrees bandwidth means on these controllers. Again, really simple controller, really great for EC fans, the electronically commutated fans. Completely different to the AC fans. You can't use this on AC, but it's a great little controller. Any more information, just follow the link. Cheers guys.